What is the use of the plus icon in YT Create application? So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you what is the meaning of the plus icon in YT Create application. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. We have to open the YT Create application, and after opening I will see the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. So what is that plus icon means? So that plus icon means to import the video. If I tap right here on this plus icon, I will get access to the gallery, and from there I can select or import any of the video from there. Without going to the plus icon, I will not get access to any of the video to import in my project. So this is the use of the plus icon. If I tap right here on this video, you can see the plus icon again. So this plus icon means that I can add another clip in this video. So this is what the plus icon means. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.